I'm accompanied by my brother, the one who cares the most about what I do. This is what I do. I'm a poet by nature, and I never chose to be one. So this is my life, and I'm welcoming you to my private life. My life, the one that I should live in stardom, but I choose to live it away from the public. My world, Africa, stepping on diamonds, gold. We are blessed to be African. Only if you can realize its blessing, that's when you can truly appreciate it. Most of us are busy smoking marijuana, busy drinking Bentley, busy doing drugs, which is wrong. And today I'm raising a campaign against all those people who are stuck in drugs. It's not a life for Africans. We never had drugs. Let's find a way to get over our stupid wishes and dreams. Rather, we have to look forward to the future and make it a brighter one. Life is beautiful when we are living as well. And life is beautiful when you are living in a sober state. Look at nature. You take time to appreciate it in that way. Believe me, nothing is more exciting than looking at things with a more clear view.